Hello everybody, today you will make ribollita. Yeah, I got all the ingredients right over here in the front of me. We got a kale, plum tomato, cannellini beans, tomato paste, garlic, bell leaves, onion, celery, carrots, and we need stale bread over here. You call it stale bread?
Stale.
We got stale bread. It gotta be really dry. You can play baseball, but it's really hard. Stale bread. And over here we got a chicken stock. Now we gotta start to chop all the vegetables. And we start with the garlic. And the garlic, gotta be really chopped thin. Don't just smash like that. A little quarter. Okay, gotta be really thin. Now we chop the onion. And the onion, it gotta be little cube, like that. And the onion, it's done. Now we do the celery. And the celery, I do like this. You cut in half. And after you chop, cube. Okay, now we do the carrots. And the carrots, I do like this. I pick it up one piece. After I put it flat like this, it's easy to do. Okay, cut yourself. After you cut in half, like that. And now we chop a cube, the same like the celery. Okay, now we do the plum tomato. Now the plum tomato, I take the skin out and the seeds out. And the tomatoes done, and we put it back on this dish. Okay, now we got the kale, I take the stem out already, and we chop, not really small, only like this. And we do all this the same thing, you chop a little bit. Make sure to wash really good the kale, okay? Okay, put gas on, and now we need oil. And we leave warm up the oil a little bit, and we gotta start to use the onion. We gotta start to saute this first. And now, we put the garlic. Okay, now the onion, the garlic, it look good. And now we put the carrots. It's time of the celery. Turn the celery, carrots, garlic, and onion all together. All right, now we use little tomato paste. Okay, that's enough. I got the bell leaves now put inside, and we use the plum tomato. Okay, now it started to do really good. Okay, now we put a little salt. Not too much, you got the chicken stock, it's salty. It's enough. And we put a black pepper. Okay, and we give a nice turn enough of this. Okay, now it's a time to put the chicken stock. We turn off the chicken stock and we put it right over here. Okay, now this is a cook for 20 minutes. Now we got the kale, and with the kale you gotta cook 10 more minutes, and we put the cannellini beans too. Now let's put the kale first. All right. Now we give it nice. Okay, go down. This is easy. The kale right away cook. It got so much kale after. Look at that. All right, and now we put the beans. Look how beautiful this beans. When you cook the beans yourself, it's really, really good. Look at that. Look how nice it cooked. Now this you gotta cook for 10 more minutes. Okay, now I did the bread cube. I put it right over here, like this. Alright, and now we put oil. And we put in the oven to make a nice crispy toast. And we give a nice turn and like that. And we put it right over here on this pot to make a nice toast. Because this you gotta go good. Alright, okay, let's put it in the oven. Okay, now let's take the bread out. Oh, look a nice toast. Look how beautiful. Huh? This is really good for ribollita. Okay, I want to taste my ribollita. Look how beautiful it look. Really, really nice. Now, let's taste. We put a little cube bread like this. And now you put how many you want. For me, I think I take all thing I put right over here. Okay, now we put this on the top of the soup or ribollita. Okay. Okay, and we put a little pecorino cheese on the top. Look how beautiful. Really good. Okay, let's test. Really hot. And look at the bread. Nice. Nice crunchy. It come out really, really good. I hope somebody make this and you let me know. It's delicious. This is Italian dish, ribollita. In Italy, you know, you cook the ribollita night time. Day after, my mother, she pick her up a nice pot and she would warm up again. And we put bread inside. It's so delicious. I hope if somebody make it. Thank you very much. Thank you.